Hey, how's it going? This is Turkish Coffee. Thank you very much for watching this video. Today we're working on Bashed, which is a Linux easy machine from Hackthebox. Let me get the AP. Before jumping into the machine, I wanted you to see a couple of things I prepared for you guys, and one is the content review, and the other one is my repo where I put all the commands and stuff. So here, first two lines, very important. One exploitation method. I'll be using one exploitation method for this machine, which is a web shell exposed, basically exposed to the. It's a web shell which is within our reach. Let me put it that way. So then we have two Privesc techniques, okay, and then of course we have some Recon, some Python for to do some stuff like a rev shell, maybe another rev shell and other things. We'll try to escalate and determine which permissions we have with sudo or sudo. I'm not sure to spell it. Then this tool is very interesting and will be used a lot, hopefully in your CTF and in my CTF as well. You name this is a Linux command to get information about the kernel and the machine. We'll compile some stuff here. We'll change permission with chmod here, and then here this is the transfer. This is the logistics, the transportation stuff here. Okay, so again, this is my repo. Most of the commands I use in my boxes are here. I will link this in the description. I guess we already have the IP. Let's have some fun. Some fun which seems like not to be there. Maybe the VPN is down. Not sure what happened. You never know, huh? All right. Should be working. Yeah. Okay. IPA. So as always, I just pipe a couple of information. Kali is and the target is 10.10.10.68, yeah, and then we pipe it into IPS, right? Good. Okay, so we just have this information up there forever and ever. So what next? Let's just scan the box. As you know, I work I scan the box with these two nmap commands. One is for the top 1000 using a scan, yeah, so this is kind of a comprehensive one, and I pipe everything into this file. A stand for aggressive, yeah. And then I let the nmap scanning TCP 65,535. And let's see, maybe there are some other ports we can utilize to get in. You never know. This won't be the case, but again, you never know. So it's port 80. What web? This is another tool we can use. It's similar to Webalizer 68. Website title, and then some other information that we already had using nmap, yeah. Yeah, also this one. Yeah, we already knew everything basically, but it's interesting. This is an alternative to Webalizer. Other ports? No other ports, yeah. So what else? What else? We just go there. Let me go with private mode, yeah. Here we go. Yeah, you know, they say that you have to see how the like you should manually spider the website when you get one. Yeah. So let's manually spider it and let's see if something off comes up. Yeah, this is basically the point of entry. Yeah, you know, PHP Bash is a standalone semi-interactive web shell and blah blah blah, and this is the way to get in, guys. So just let's put it simple. This is a simple box, and let's not overcomplicate stuff. So derb http .68. I know that I can export the IP, but okay, I will do it later in later videos. So given we suspect that this thing is somewhere, here is report like somewhere reachable from the outside, but not too much outside because we are in the same network. We just have to find where this php bash.php is. Yeah, here reports on uploads, but I don't think it's uploads. No, it's not uploads. Yeah, but let's just work. Let's just burp. Derp will do its magic. So let it work. Good. What else can we do now, guys? Or maybe just have some fun, having some spritz or Aperol or caipirinha in the meanwhile. Here is coming, yeah. Or maybe a Turkish coffee, why not? So here it is. It is. Here we go. Okay, so this is the point of entry. And I mean, okay. Cat and LVP. This is 7200. Yeah. And then I will use this thing to get the shell. Yeah. So let me show you what I just did. Basically this is a Python whiteliner to get a rev shell. Yeah. You guys, you just have to modify this number here and the IP. Yeah. You can see all those things. You can get all those things in my repo. Yeah. I will just link everything below, as the YouTubers say. So YouTubers say. So what else? What do we do? Where do we go from here? First off, we stabilize it. Yeah. Then we do some other things. STTY, echo, row. Oh my god. It's row, echo, FG. I mean, it's Friday for anyone, yeah. We be tired, guys. So export term, xterm, yeah, export shell bash. Okay. So what now? Root, permission denied, scripts, permission denied. Scripts is basically how we'll escalate our privileges. Let's just okay. So what do? Nothing. We don't do much. Yeah, we're not in the sudoers file, as you can see, but there is something we can do. Okay, usually here we can find some we can have some luck with the GTFO bins, yeah, but not in this case. We can do something, yeah. We can do this. We can work as if we were script manager, yeah. Just let's change the let's change the user. Yeah. So ID. And what else we can do now? Sudo C. Oh, C café, por favor. Su. Nothing. Yeah, we can still nothing. No luck. Don't tell me I broke the shell. Yeah. So what else? CD root? Maybe. No. No root. But if we go here, we see something. Yeah. Cat test.py. Of course, this is the way to escalate. Yeah. This is kind of easy thing. Honestly, I don't like the way to escalate privilege this way, but it's a thing we have to learn because in other CTF is there. And truth be told, in an exam I have taken like last month, there was something similar. Yeah. So, but it was more clear. It was more clear. Everything was more clear. Because if we do, we see that root owns test.txt. Yeah. Not this one. So it's not so clear why we can like escalate. What I mean, as a CTF players, what do? We just go there, uh, slap a reverse shell there, and let's see what happens. Yeah, because as you can see, this file is gonna be like every minute, and I will show you this later. Every minute is gonna be worked with cron job. Yeah, I don't like the way to do it. I don't like the way to escalate this machine, honestly, but I have to show you. I want to show you because it's on the web and everyone does that. This is not my first choice to Privesc. I used a kernel exploit. It was way more realistic to me. Even though there is the risk to break the machine, not with the kernel exploit which we'll be using. With some other one, yes, but this is the way how people escalate privilege on this box. So we have to see how this works. So again, root owns this. We can modify this test.py being script manager, and hopefully some magic will happen. Yeah. I can demonstrate when we are root why that's the way it works. Yeah, I mean how it works. So netcat, no, first off, nano test.py. Yeah, now we just remove the content and we just slap into some stuff here. Give me a second. Here we go. Yeah, so no, not this one. Apologies. That's a beauty. That's the beauty of Doom CTF. Sometimes some things works and some other times the exactly same things don't work. Yeah. So you never know. So let's see. Let's say this one. Yeah. Yeah. This should work. So 755. Oh my god. Netcat and LVP 755. Okay. 1413. All right. Okay. So basically, what's in the background? There is a cron job which is hitting on test.py every minute or so. And everything we put in that test.py, I mean, Python will execute it with root privileges. And that's why we'll get, hopefully, a root. Yeah. We got a shell as root. You can see this, yeah. But honestly, to my understanding, it was not so clear being script manager here. you know. Oh my god, what did I touch? Apologies. But we can see this here. Let me show you. We can have some other ints. Again, I'm not a sysadmin, so maybe there are some other ways to you see. Okay, so now it's a bit better, and let me show you this. So I'm going to show you this thing. I get a command. All right. So first off, Python is executed as root, right? Python 2 and Python 3, yeah, executed as root. So this could be a lead. Second, if we go for cron tab tac l, so to my understanding is everything which is in scripts with a .py extension will be executed as root. Yeah, so I believe this is the key. Yeah, this is the key. But we could not know. We couldn't know all this. We couldn't have this information back when we were script manager, because if I try to run these commands, this, yes, maybe this will work, but these other commands, like look, let's just try to work on this command, to run this command. Yes, I know, as I was saying, but if I try to run this other command, cron tab cal, I mean, of course, I mean, we do not know as root which commands, yeah, which files, and with other one, which other one things are running as root. Yeah, so this is kind of like meh thing for this box. Again, maybe it's me that I don't have the right, and I don't have enough sysadmin skills, but that's not so immediate. But yeah, this is honestly, this was my second choice as a Privesc method. My first choice is another one. Let me just go back here. Let's just close this thing. Yeah. And my first choice is this. So, which is a bit, I believe, a bit more fun, guys, to do is the following. So, script manager, cd temp, ls. All right. And now we do this. We do locate. No. Ls. Okay. Tools. All right. So now we serve Python train.m http server on 8080. Yeah. Now we serve everything which is in this in tools on 8080. Yeah. So what do? We do http 10.10.14.13 8080, and it's called Linux exploit suggester.sh. Let's see if we're lucky. Yeah, we're lucky. Chmod plus Linux. All right, and now we run it. Yeah. Okay, so here's the thing, guys, with the kernel exploit. To me, they are a lot of fun. They're super funny thing to do, kind of easy. Also, you just have to do basically this one. Yeah, you get the kernel version. Yeah, kernel version, or you just utilize this, or maybe limpies or some other like Privesc enumeration tools, and then you find the exploit, you compile it, and you run it. So super fun, super nice. I like it. I like it better than the first Privesc technique we utilize. Yeah. Anyway, so Linux exploit suggester. Yeah, fantastic tool. Very much used in CTF, in real engagement and things. You get a lot of information about this box. Yeah, but especially what we're looking for is the section here. Yeah, so we have a lot. Look, we have a lot of potential exploit, kernel exploit. Yeah. Um, Thing is with the kernel exploit is that they can be very, like, they can break the machine. Yeah, and we don't want that. I have tried many. The one I believe is the most reliable is the first one. Yeah. So what do? We just download it, we compile it, and we run it. Yeah. Hopefully, hopefully we'll have some luck. Yeah. You never know. Again, you see. So yeah. Okay. Let me just go there and let me just go there and so it's copy home Turkish coffee downloads, and it was 45 watts. Was 45 010, yeah, 45 010.c. Oh, of course, 45.10, and then we put it in home Turkish coffee, hack the box, and this is the third one. Yeah. Okay, so cd 3. Oh my god. All right, so now we have to compile it. Here we have to compile it. How to compile it? How to compile it? We just have to do this. GCC text static. Now we compile basically a static binary. Yeah, so everything which this file, this exploit needs, is packed into that very one and only file. Okay, static. So 45, and then we pipe into kern one. Let's call it this way. I believe this is going to work. Yeah? Let's see. Okay. Now we serve it, and then again, let's see if we. Oh, I cannot. Okay. We'll get. Oh my god. We'll get HTTP 10.10.14.13 and 8080. I called it kern 1. Yeah, kern 1. Yeah, as you can see, it's kind of heavy. ls mod plus x, not capital, and then it's kern. Yeah. Now, if we're lucky, we're gonna be root in a moment. Yeah. You see how it is. It's easy to escalate privileges with this type of kernel exploit. So to me, this is way more interesting. This second method of Privesc is way more interesting because first off, we enumerate the box. Yeah, we enumerate the box. We find the kernel version. Of course, I tested several other kernel exploit, and even though they were successful, they broke the machine or made it very unstable. So this is a thing you have to take into consideration. Usually, kernel exploits, they are like the last resort. But then, another interesting thing is we transfer file, yeah, and we execute the file. So even for other boxes, transferring file, doing pivoting is very important, yeah. And many exams nowadays you are tested with transferring and pivoting, yeah. So this was, I think, yeah, in my opinion, was interesting for this reason, yeah. So I believe that's all for today. Hopefully it was interesting for you guys. Hopefully that you saw something which can be transferred to your wardrobe, or I don't know how to call it, arsenal, or notes. Yeah. And yeah, that's it. That's it. Yeah. So just yeah, I think we're done. I think we're done. So again, thank you very much for today, and I wish you a good evening. Bye bye.